Hey, I'm Payal Kothari, the gut health nutritionist and the author of the book, The Gut. Did you know that all diseases begin in your gut, but all solutions also are in your gut microbes? To finally resolve conditions and diseases like IBS, constipation, hyperacidity, weight gain, anxiety, PCOS, hormonal imbalances, thyroid, diabetes, migraines, pimples and acne, definitely join my masterclass where you will find relief and solutions to all your problems once and for all. What will I cover in the precious 2 hours that you're going to commit to? End-to-end value for your time. The 6 hour of gut wellness. A diet plan to reset your gut health and weight loss. 1 detox mix to cleanse your colon. My bestseller book, The Gut. Private WhatsApp group support. Important recipes. To gain access to all of the above, register today and I will see you in there for your personal gut transformation.